Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm basically showing you guys around what I've done to this Mercedes A-Class. So just a quick update, basically I've done the ambient lighting, which is the LED bead kit, nice clean lines all around the car, and then we've got the vents that work with the actual screen control. This kit looks awesome, it really brings out the full interior of this car. So without further ado, let me show you all what this car looks like. So here's a brilliant thing about the install today is not only do you have the controls via app to change all the color lights, but for example the vents you can change separately with the screen. So it gives you this option to basically have it two-tone, which is super nice. I love it. I think this looks amazing. These vents are so good, such nice quality. You've literally got the nice click. Ah, yes. And then with the LED bead strip that goes all the way across, it's just super clean. And again, these are all fully color changing, so we can change them all via app. But because I'm using my phone at the moment for this filming, I can't actually change it at the moment. And if you do find the strip lights a little bit too bright, you can turn down the brightness. But look how clean that looks. But this is just another classic combination. The turquoise and the purple looking good. And if you come to the driver's view, that's basically the view you would have. Big transformations from what it was like previously. So if you want for very much the same color. Another nice contrast. Just looks amazing. So with this video, I'm not actually showing how to do this install, but more so about what's being done. Now these vents are wired into the car, so it works with the screen control. If you are going to look at installing these vents yourself, you do need to run the wiring through the door and in through one of the actual doors. I will leave links for all of the kits used here if you want to tackle this yourself. I have done other videos as well showing these installations. It's not too difficult, it just takes a lot of time. You got to remove the glove box and everything like that. But I was so impressed with how this car looks, I just wanted to share it. This is actually a returning customer. Previously I did an Audi A3 for him, so this is a very nice big upgrade, and I think he's going to be able to tell the difference because previously he had the Fibre Optic kit done. This is going to look completely different from that. If this is something that you would like to get done to your car, hit me up on Instagram and we can look at setting up a date. Quick interruption here, guys. If you do want to get booked in, you can use Instagram, but the best way is going to be through my website. The other thing I want to say is I will leave a link in the description down below as to how to work on these cars. It's an older video, but I'll go through in a lot more detail on all the work that's required to kind of get an installation done like this. I'll leave a link for everything that I've used on this car in the description as well. They're going to be all on the Tams factory website. There's another new kit that's used on this car that I didn't get to show off yet, but it's exactly the same, but you actually get to use the screen control to control all of the lights. So all the doors, everything will be controlled with the screen, just like how only the vents are here, and you get to use the app for all the strips on the doors. The new one, everything would work with the actual screen control, so be sure to check that out. Not many people know about that or anything like that, so yeah, really cool install. And everything on the Tams factory website is going to be the best quality and best prices, because these are the exact same suppliers that I purchase my kits from, so you know they're good quality and because you're buying directly from the manufacturers themselves, you know you're getting the best prices as well. But yeah, I hope this has inspired you all to maybe look at doing this to your car. So be sure to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Peace out. Bye.